Hey guys, welcome to my channel CloudOpsInsider. In this video, we are going to see the part 2 of Docker series. In the previous video, we have already installed Docker in our H2 instance, like in our AWS instance. We go to AWS console and we install instance on that, and after that we configure a Docker on the EC2 instance, and we grant a permissions, right? So in this video, we are going to see how we can pull images, how we can what is Docker Hub, and some of the how we can implement container, how we can some basic container commands we can see here. So let's get started with this video. As you can see, this is my screen. I have already installed Docker. Yes, I have not installed Docker. Once again, we can install. Let's see Docker. In my previous video, I have already shown how to install Docker, so no worries. It will take little amount of time. No worries. I created a fresh instance. Here, sudo apt get update. Sudo apt get update. My instance is updating. Okay. Yeah, my instance is updated. Sudo apt get install docker.io hyphen yes. Okay, hyphen yes. So we installing the Docker. It is Docker socket, and we'll be installing Docker ps. Yes. Yeah, we have an permissions, so we grant a permissions, please. Sudo sudo chmod 777. So no worry to give other permissions that we given in this permission only. Docker ps. Oh, we have to give all the permissions, right? The beginner. Basic troubleshooting. Yeah, now it is working. So we pull image first in this the further video, then we put one image. Docker, how can pull the basic command for pulling the images? Docker pull Ubuntu, and you write a tag name latest. It will pull the latest image of Ubuntu from the Docker Hub library. So how we can verify that the image is pulled? Docker images. Sorry, images. Yeah, one image is pulled, and let's pull one more image, the all-time favorite image of everyone, like Docker pull nginx latest, pulling the image of all the nx. Actually, it is pulling layer by layer. It will be pulling the first layer, second layer, third layer, and every layer has some different IDs, and it is the digest ID. Let's see the whether it is pulled or not. For images, yeah, we have nginx and Ubuntu. Let's run this nginx one first. Docker run dash d in detached mode dash p. Port we are mentioning 80 container container port, and sorry, your host your machine port in the container port, and the image name nginx docker ps. So we have already running a image. Let's do call local host. Sorry. Yeah, it is working. Let's see how it is working. Go to the AWS console, copy the public IP and paste here directly, because so okay, we have not granted permissions for HTTPS. So let's grant the permission for HTTPS also. From the security groups, go to zero instance and go to the instance running. Check the mark here. Yeah, check mark, and go to the security. Go to SG security group. Now go to inbound rules, edit inbound rules, add one rules. SSH is already there because we are doing through open SSH, so it is already there. HTTP port 80, that is from anywhere else, like from anywhere IP, any IP will be able to fetch this port. Save the rules, save the rule, and let's go and refresh it once again. We will be fetching the, what we can say, yeah, now it is working, right? Let's say want to edit this to any customize, how we can edit. So first of all, if you want to edit this, we have to go to the container, right? So write docker exec. So first of all, we write docker ps, okay, docker docker exec, then the hyphen it interactive terminal, and 53, yes, this name is id. Okay, okay, and as such we can write, yeah, we are in the, what we can say, nginx pwd. Yeah, we are in the ls. This is the all the files regarding to the for the nginx. So what we will do now, we go to cd usr user us ls, then share. Okay, we go to share, then we have, there were so much things here, right? And cd locals, there is nothing here. Where the file is located, yeah, nginx cd ng nginx ls html, yeah, cd html. Yeah, this is the file, right? Index.html, and then we can do uh, echo, write something here in, sorry, in h1 tag, and this is the sh, right? So we cannot do like that. H1, and right here Siddhi, basically I'm writing my name. Okay, we write Siddhi Pradhan only, no worries. H1 tag, closing tag, H1 closing tag, then we'll go to double quotes, then we go and index dot html, then we get index dot html. So written here in the downside below. So let's test it. Yeah, my name written wrong, oh no worries, you can correct this out. So we can edit this here also. Then we can install sudo. Okay, it is in nanomonly apt get install nano. Nano is not there. What? Let's try to open in bash so we can easily edit this. Sorry. Okay, this is bash terminal. Okay, we first of all first time we edit in sh. Now we edit in bash. This is the basic debugging thing we are doing. Debug, share nginx. Then we have html. Okay, here we can do sudo apt. No, not required because we are in root mode. Apt get install nano voice. Nano is not there. Okay, why? I know why it is not installed. Let's do update first. Ticket update. Let's do install now. Yeah, now it is installed. Nano index to system. So here, let's erase all the stuff here. This is the correct way we have to do the thing. Teaching you the correct way. So write h1 take here h1, then write anything in the brother through and closing h1 tag. Then one more h2 tag, subscribe. Okay, h2. So write some. Okay guys, I have written Siddhima Patra my name and subscribe. Please subscribe my channel because this kind of content is taking so much time to think of and making all and collecting all the elements, and have to you have to make a content around this, and you have to edit that video, and you have to post on YouTube. So much time. So this is it for the Nginx, and let's go and get some other stuff to do. So we exit from this container. We write ls. Okay, we can do one more thing. The docker container ls. This is the bigger command. We can do docker ps also. We can do docker ls also. Container ls. Yes. Same thing. Run Ubuntu. Ubuntu latest. Not running. Cannot specify all the stuff. Docker run hyphen dit. Dit it is on interactive terminal, and it is written in what we can say interactive mode and writing bin bash. Bin bash. Now it is working, right? Well, sorry, docker ps. Now we can verify that docker ubuntu also running in docker. Let's go inside this, and first of all, before going inside, we can use that for outside also. Docker, we can execute any command exec hyphen it, and the id name paste here, and you can write anything here. It's like I want to do bin. I want to verify the date. Bin date. So this date command is written over here. I want to create a directory mkdir inside home and sid. So it can create a directory. I can list down that also in the home uh, without going inside the container. We can verify all the stuff. Here we have sid directories created. You can do ls hyphen lrt. Yes, we do all the stuff. We can verify what are the there in the root folder also. Hyphen lrt and root. Here we can verify all the stuff. Then go inside that also. Docker exec hyphen it. Then we write the id. Then bin bash. Okay, Docker spelling is through. Yeah, yeah, we are inside the file now. cd and home ls rm side not left r. Yeah, now deleted. Okay, this is the basic stuff to do in using Docker. You can commit that also if you want to save that image. Let's say if we edit anything here and we have to save that image, Docker commit with the id, what id we have, and it will generate one star value, and that is saved. And we can write Docker here is a none is for where the Docker is saved na. Let's we have to Docker commit. You can give the name also here, like hyphen name sid. Now let's say let's verify Docker commit help. If you're stuck in any command, you can verify using help. Just mistaken. Okay, this is the to create a new image from a container changes. So when we create a new image, we created a new image, right? Docker, let's verify that. Docker commit id and this will do. No such container. Okay. We cannot change. Okay, we can tag them. I think so. This is none. Repository name is none. Docker child can give any large amount of commands. Okay, it is an image ID now. Yes. verified. Here is how to make another things correct. Let's clear this out. So we study about how we can pull the image and we can interact in the image. So now we can do one thing, that is Docker fully. Docker create. Let's verify what we can create. Create. Sorry, Docker help first of all. Let's verify what other thing we have. Container, image context, networks we can create, volume. Okay, Docker volume create set. We create a volume name set, and we can ls that also. Sorry, we also create a volume name ls. So delete that first. Delete. So deleted that. What a bug here. We cannot delete that. Docker volume. Oh, we cannot delete. We can remove that. Okay. rm. Now it is removed. Let's clear this. So we have already make a volume, so we can do that using we can use that using docker. Okay, run hyphen dit, okay, hyphen v to sid. My volume name is sid, and what we have to mount home, ubuntu, and what we image we have ubuntu latest bin bash. This is bash. Now we created by attaching volume also. Let's save some file in the volume, and docker exec. I'm not going inside the file, so we'll do without going inside file also, without going inside that container also. That. So class bin class mkdir, okay, mkdir, and we can do this operator. Let's do that. Let's verify that first by using this command, and we can do that also. Mkdir slash home ubuntu last into right name, my name set, create it, cannot create ubuntu spelling is wrong. untu क्या Just wait a second. Now it is created. So we'll do one more thing. We'll do make one more, what we can say, file over there using touch command. Touch hello.txt, Yeah, we have done the file also. Let's verify that first. Let's, your file is present in my that directory. Okay, let's do one more container. We'll do one more, we'll run one more container using that volume only, verify that the volume is binding to each other or not. This is the thing. Okay. Once I have done this, so it is running now. And do ls to sorry docker ps verify. This is the volume. This is the container which we have make this file hello.txt, and we mount that to that same volume to this container. So let's verify using this same command, and we replace the id 58f3. Yeah, my volume is working correctly. Yes. The same volume we have mounted to this container. So this container also. This container. Okay. This container is the older one where we have introduced the volume and make file. And we will, if you want to edit anything inside this file, we can edit also, and we can verify that using that. That's what we cannot do, because we will to study about one more volume thing, that is the build mount. Sorry, bind mount. Bind mount is another concept that we can use here. Let's mkdi SID. So this is my SID folder. And bind them. We can bind the this folder to using volume also. I just want to create one more thing. So we want to bind the mount here. We can give this kind. This is binded to each other. I just want to make one more file inside that. Like ls touch on, yeah, this one mkdir. So we'll replace this to 7c, this new id 7c 3a 7c 3a. Okay, then we can do ls sid, so we can see that nothing inside this. So we'll make one more file over there. Yeah, this one. We'll change this to 7c 3a ls sid sid. Nothing inside that. cd sid. Okay, let's do one more thing here. I think that is the wrong way to verify the whole path. I think so. As Ubuntu, I think that will work. Absolute path only again, right? Okay. So this id folder, the pwd first. Bind to that error express for even to create home and this is the absolute path ters from the local volume name are allowed. Okay, if you intend to pass a host directory using absolute path, see using docker run, let's see what is the error might be. build bind mount a volume using this command. Okay. Not that only, but if you do this thing like dot sid, we then dot sid. Is there any? Yeah, now just created. Okay. Let's see. Music. Create one folder over there. This one on left. 9D 2D 9D 2D 2B, sorry, 2B LSSID. Yeah, now it is working. So we have to attach a dot inside that. Absolute path is not working. We have to give this path only. Let's create a file inside that. This command is not. This command, I guess. Yes, this command is only 9D 9D 2B. So let's go to SID. Okay, so SID. Yeah, my file is there in SID folder file folder directory, you can say. So we mount using bind mount. We created a folder called SID and we mount them to the container directory to this one, and we make a directory inside that container. That directory name is SID only, and we execute a touch command to create a hello.txt and to see whether the bind mount is working or not. The SID is in my this one. This is the my in my local machine. This is my directory, and then we created a directory in that SID, and it is replicated in this one, and hello.txt also replicated in this. So this is the way the bind mount is working. How the volume works? Like volumes are two thing. Like one is bind, and the one is the original one that we can bind using creating a volume, and then we can bind out that thing. This is the other another way to bind volume inside the container. So guys, this is it, and in this in upcoming videos you will see multi-stage Docker versus pod, some Docker cheat sheets, and Docker some basic advanced commands, and how we can use database and PostgreSQL. So we can see getting started, how we can start, like how we can make a Docker file and all the stuff see in this video, in upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that also. Okay. Okay, in the other video we'll cover this also, full image, and full image is done, and we'll do RMI and build. So we'll do the stuff. Okay. So guys, I hope you like the video, and if you like the video you can do subscribe and share to your friends. And we do live troubleshooting also, don't worry. We'll see how we will learn, and we will see how to figure it out using some basic command. So thank you guys.